Here's another sample of the Tunisian stitch using a double crochet hook, here with very contrasting colors in orange and red, and of course the double crochet hook that lets us work in two different directions. You can see it's already loaded up with the orange loops, so we're about to start down the row using the red yarn in the contrasting color. And on the first stitch you yarn over and pull through only one loop on the hook in order to sort of lock it in place. Then you yarn over and pull through two, and you continue yarning over and pulling through two until you get to the end of the row. I won't make you watch it all, and we'll go a little faster. But then when you get down to the end, you're going to notice that that last loop on the hook seems loose, but it's okay, it can be loose. We're going to tighten it up when we end up turning in this case, the headband, and it will tighten up and lock in place. Now, when we reload the hook with the loops, we're going to use the second hoop, and we're going to go under the vertical stitch in the front, pull up a loop, and we're going to continue to use those vertical loops and pull up hoops to reload the crochet hook in the color that we were using, which is red in this case. So once that is, and make sure you get that very last one. See the last one on the very end of the row? Get under that vertical stitch in the contrasting color and pull up the color that you were working with, in this case the red. Now we're going to turn the project and start back down with the orange, which again is the contrasting color to the loops that are already on the hook. And the first one, remember, you just yarn over and pull through the first stitch in order to again sort of lock it in place, and then you will yarn over and pull through two, and again you'll yarn over and pull through two until you complete that row, just like we did when we went down with the red. So this is another sample with red and orange yarn to show the reversible panel that we're going to be making into an ear warmer or a headband. And again, you can see my bio for other patterns. Thank you.